Hello everyone, I'm Deepika from Support Experience. Want to see how to test a web service consumer using cURL? Let's get started. The steps and the knowledge base articles are provided here for your future reference. Initially, you have to run your session in verbose logging mode to capture the SOAP request from the session log. Once it is done, you have to open your verbose session log and copy the SOAP request from there. Then, from the server, create a file named request.xml and paste the SOAP request here. Now you have to open your WSDL and copy the SOAP action URL as well as the endpoint URL because you'll be needing this for the cURL command. So here's the cURL command syntax. You have to replace the SOAP action URL and the request XML file. Finally, the endpoint URL here. Copy this command and run it from the server. That's it. This will send you the SOAP request and fetch the response directly from the command line. Thank you.